Today on Let's Talk Drinks, we talk about one of the most popular summertime cocktails, the Mojito. And if you stick around for the end of the video, I'm going to explain to you why you shouldn't muddle your mint. Hi guys, we're coming to you from the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong in Australia. Today we're going to make the Mojito cocktail for you. It was created in Cuba, in Havana, and it was a favourite of Ernest Hemingway, and it's really easy to make. The first ingredient that we need is some white rum. I'm going to use Bacardi, Carta Blanca, and I'm going to do 60 mils. Our next ingredient is 30 mils of fresh lime juice. Next up, 15 mils of sugar syrup. It's just 50-50 sugar and water, really easy to make as well. Then next up we need about 6 or 7 mint leaves. I like to just break them and put them in there. Then we're going to need some crushed ice. Here at the 18th Amendment Bar we have a crushed ice maker. At home though, the way that I make it is I get my ice, I put it into a clean tea towel or a plastic bag, and I smash it with either a rolling pin or anything that can smash up that ice. I've got a mighty big Thor hammer here. Woo! Makes a bit of a mess too. Really easy. I'm not going to clean that up because at home I know how messy it gets making cocktails. Just to show you that this isn't all staged, this is real and true the way we're making this. Look at that, get rid of that there. I like to give it a little bit of a stir to get that mint and the sugar and the rum mixed up really well there, and then just topped off with some soda water. And for the garnish, I like to use a really nice mint sprig. Now at the start of the video I said that I would tell you the reason why I don't muddle mint. Okay, a lot of times when I'm on holidays and I'll order a mojito, they will muddle the mint, or sometimes with customers I don't muddle the mint and they'll complain and say that you should muddle. The reason that I don't is because in the mint leaves there are membranes, and if we muddle them, what happens is it releases a very bitter sort of acidic flavour. Mint leaves themselves have volatile oils all over them, and if we just give them a bit of a spank, what that does is it bursts those bubbles and it just releases all the aroma from the mint, and it doesn't add that acidic sort of bitter taste that I find that when you muddle mint. That's it guys, really super simple. Going to add a straw to that. Please use straws that are metal, don't use plastic, great for the environment. And we're going to do a few videos coming up with variations of the mojito. If there are any variations that you know and you'd like to let us know, please comment, give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.